I thought I'd give you a tour of my workshop this morning. Uh, I have a lot of clamps. This is just one wall full of clamps. My chainsaws, my almost 50-year-old workbench. This is a project. I'm converting a elbow tool into a Trent Bosch tool for a friend of mine. Some of my latest projects and the next one I'm working on. This is a tabletop that I'm working on. Most of my power tools that I don't use a lot all sit in this. They're all on wheels. They can be rolled out into the room. To hook up to the dust collector, this is my heated cabinet. I got a heating element in there to keep all my paints and finishes. Some of my antique tools. My scroll saw. My wood storage is all kind of crammed over there. When I moved, I had to put all the wood in this building instead of in the separate building. I do have an outbuilding that has my dust collector. That's my drill bit cabinet. It's totally full of drill bits. My metalworking area. It's my horizontal bandsaw, my Smithy lathe mill combo, all my metalworking tools. Come back around to my bandsaw, my table saw. It's a Steel City. And there's my Powermatic lathe. It's an A series, and I've converted it to a B series by drilling holes in the bottom and lowering that tool rest down. I've got a separate extension over here so I can turn over 60 inches between centers. I have a lot of my hunter tools right there, texturing tools. These are the tools I use 90% of the time, all laid out. Skews to spindle gouges, to bowl gouges, to odds and ends, hollowing tools, roughing tools, parting tools, scrapers. Of course, the cabinet's full of odds and ends stuff, my tailstocks, all my hollowing tools over there, chucks. Accessories for the chucks, vacuum chuck accessories, and the bottom is all my buffing equipment. That's my vacuum chuck over there. My sharpening system, kind of modified it over the years. It has a lot of different attachments. My tool rests. I'll sit down there. That's part of my router system I use on the lathe sometimes. This is my mini lathe, or MIDI lathe. And then my Tormek with a sanding sharpening system that I've jury rigged. Some more antique tools. Well, not antique, I use those. Anyway, that's basically it.